Hi, I'm Sarto Pasquale, the honorable owner and responsible handcraft tailor of Nostra Cosa. As you know, we are opening soon a new program which will lead to our new school of art and haute couture. I will be the one who will be teaching you guys to become the next most wanted designer. I'm here to give you a bit more information about the program. So first of all, the program will be open by sessions, and each session will accept only around 4 students. Why we do this? Well, to be well organized, to give you quality in teaching, help and advise you in the most effective way. We will be there for you to answer all the necessary questions. But be careful, we already have 10 students, 10 people who subscribe to our program, so don't lose time if you want to be in the first session. Now, make sure to do the following. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Nostra Akademia and prepare yourself for the masterclass soon. Then, make sure to send us a mail at academia@nostracosa.com. In the mail, make sure to give us your basic information like full name, country, email, phone number, and also your level in the industry. Also, in the mail, please send us what is your interest in the program. Is it basic art? Is it about bespoke haute couture? Is it maybe Photoshop, Illustrator, Procreate? I don't know. Is it maybe only how to make bespoke handcraft suits or only trousers? Please try to be as precise as you can. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to seeing you. Style is unique, elegance is personal.